Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We've taken a look at this Ray-Ban model, new Wayfarer RB2132 in color code 902/58. It's a tortoise color frame. On the temples here we have a silver Ray-Ban writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. On the temple here, we have a silver Ray-Ban writing as well. The lenses are a polarized crystal green G15 color lens. It has a Ray-Ban writing in white and a P for polarized. And a sticker that says polarized as well. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.